Welcome to this complete lecture on adjectives. Have you ever wondered how we make our sentences more clear and interesting? The answer lies in adjectives. Adjectives describe people, places, animals, and things. They add colors and details to our language, making communication more effective and engaging. In this lecture, we will learn what adjectives are, why they are important, their different types, and their degrees of comparison. So let's begin our journey. Let's start with a simple example. Consider the sentence Ali has a car. This sentence is correct, but it gives very little information about the car. Now look at the second sentence. Ali has a beautiful car. The word beautiful tells something more about the car. It describes the noun car and makes the sentence more meaningful and interesting. This describing word is called an adjective. Now let us define an adjective. An adjective is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun. It gives additional information about a person, place, animal, or thing. For example, a smart boy, a red flower, a large house. In each example, the highlighted word adds detail and help us understand the noun more clearly. Why do we use adjectives? Adjectives are important because they make our language more descriptive, more clear, more interesting. For example, the word flower gives us only basic information. But when we say beautiful flower, a much clearer picture comes to our mind. So adjectives express ideas with greater precision and detail. Now let us discuss about types of adjectives. Adjectives are not all the same. They can be classified into different types according to their functions. The main types are adjectives of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective, possessive adjective, interrogative adjective, and proper adjective. Let us now study each type one by one. First, we have adjective of quality. An adjective of quality describes the quality, nature, or characteristic of a noun. Look at these examples. A brave soldier, a beautiful flower, an honest man, a delicious cake. The words brave, beautiful, honest, and delicious tell us what kind of person or thing is being talked about. Therefore, they are adjectives of quality. Next is the adjective of quantity. This type tells us how much of something there is. Examples include many apples, a little milk, some books, few candies. These adjectives indicate quantity or amount rather than describing quality. They answer the question how much or how many. Now let's discuss the adjective of number. An adjective of number tells us the exact number or position of a noun. Examples are one book, two pencils, three apples, fourth car. These adjectives count things or identify their order. Next type is demonstrative adjective. A demonstrative adjective points out a specific noun. Examples include this book, that car, these apples, those houses. Words such as this, that, these, and those identify exactly which person or thing we are referring to. Now look at possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives show ownership or possession. For example, my pen, your pen, his bicycle, their house. These adjectives tell us to whom something belongs. They indicate possession before a noun. Next, we have interrogative adjectives. It is a type of adjective which is used to ask questions about nouns. Examples are which book, what subject, whose bag. These verbs seek information about a specific noun. Remember, when, which, what, or whose are used before a noun. They function as interrogative adjectives. Final type is proper adjectives. A proper adjective is formed from a proper noun. For example, Pakistani culture, Chinese food, English literature. Notice that these adjectives come from proper nouns such as Pakistan, China, and England. Like proper nouns, proper adjectives always begin with a capital letter. Beside different types, adjectives also have degrees of comparison. These degrees compare people, places, or things. The three degrees are positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. For example, fast, faster, fastest. Let's understand each degree separately. The positive degree is the basic form of an adjective. It is used when no comparison is being made. Examples: Ali is tall, Sarah is intelligent, this road is long. In these sentences, the adjectives simply describe the noun without comparing them to anything else. The comparative degree is used when comparing two persons, places, or things. Look at these examples. Ali is taller than Ahmed. This book is better than that one. Gold is more expensive than silver. Notice the use of words like taller, better, and more expensive. These adjectives show comparison between two items. The superlative degree is used when comparing more than two persons, places, or things. Example: Ali is the tallest boy. Mount Everest is the highest mountain. Sarah is the most intelligent student. The superlative degrees identifies the highest or greatest quality among a group. Let's check your understanding with a quick quiz. Which of the following is the superlative degree? Tall, taller, tallest. Take a moment to think. The correct answer is C, the tallest. Excellent. If you selected tallest, your understanding is right on the track. Let's quickly review what we have learned today. Adjectives describe nouns and pronouns. They make language more descriptive and meaningful. Adjectives have different types, including quality, quantity, number, demonstrative, possessive, interrogative, and proper adjectives. They also have degrees: positive, comparative, and superlative. Mastering adjectives will improve both your writing and speaking skills. Thank you for watching this lesson. I hope this lecture has helped you to understand adjectives in a simple and clear way. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep improving your English every day. If you found this lecture helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next lecture. Happy learning.